The FDA has reaffirmed its findings that the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine is safe and effective, and the FDA has given its full and final approval.
First at 4, a milestone in the COVID-19 pandemic. Today, the FDA announced it has given full approval to the vaccine made by Pfizer. The FDA says it has never before had so much evidence to judge a shot's safety. As of now, more than 200 million doses have already been given in the U.S. since emergency use began back in December.
The FDA approval extends to Pfizer vaccines for anyone ages 16 and up. And this morning, President Biden celebrated the news and urged anyone who has lingering doubts about the vaccine to get it.
Those who've been waiting for full approval should go get your shot now. The vaccination is free, it's easy, it's safe, and it's effective, and it's convenient.
It is important to note here that this approval doesn't change anything for younger kids. The FDA says it still does not recommend children younger than 12 get a COVID-19 vaccine yet until the clinical trials with children are complete.
We do not have data on the proper dose, nor do we have full data on safety in children younger than what is in the EUA.
EUA refers to the emergency use authorization, which still allows for children ages 12 to 15 to get the vaccine. The FDA says it wants to head off any potential use of the vaccine off-label, and that means using the vaccine in a way that isn't approved. It is hard to say how many people rushed to get the vaccine today simply because the FDA gave its stamp of approval.
For some, the announcement did play a big role in their decision to get vaccinated. 9 News reporter Noel Brennan spoke to a family getting their first doses just this morning in Aurora.
Here to get my first dose of the Pfizer vaccine.
For some hesitant to get the shot, all they needed was something to sweeten the deal.
That was comforting. Yeah. That it was kind of like the icing on the cake.
The FDA's full approval of the Pfizer vaccine for people 16 and up reassures the reluctant.
That definitely helped when we saw that this morning.
Yes.
Shane Bonnell and Brianna Castillo got their first doses Monday from one of the state's mobile vaccination buses in Aurora.
You know, it's just having that extra reassurance that, you know, there's been more research behind it and now we have the official okay.
FDA approval or not, doctors still hear from patients unwilling to get vaccinated.
Certainly it's issues around the information that they're getting, the concerns that they have about safety, how effective it is.
Dr. Ozzie Granardo sits on the Colorado Vaccine Equity Task Force. He's optimistic those still hesitant reconsider.
I'm hopeful this is another data point for those people to then move in the direction of getting a vaccine.
Even for those who held off for months.
It's a big relief.
It's never too late to hop on board the vaccine bus.
I've had it. Yeah, we did.
Noel Brennan, 9 News.
Colorado is still offering gift cards and vouchers at state-run vaccine sites. Those we talked to in Aurora this morning took home $100 Walmart gift cards.
If you're a business leader, a nonprofit leader, a state or local leader who has been waiting for full FDA approval to require vaccinations, I call on you now to do that. Require it. Do what I did last month. Require your employees to get vaccinated or face strict requirements.
It is the president's call to companies. Step up, require employees to get vaccinated or face strict restrictions.